Yeah, so uranium has been out of favor forever. If we were to kind of go back and look at the stage analysis here, you can see it's more or less in a stage one. It has been trading sideways forever. It's starting to build a little bit of a base, and I think it's going to have its stage two. It's time to shine in due time. So you can see it's gone through a stage four. It's been out of favor forever. Now it's building a launch pad. Early investors are getting in. The aggressive investors are piling in because they see the potential of no one can get their hands on uranium and everybody wants to use uranium, it seems. So this is a launch pad. I think we could have a little bit of weakness still as the stock market struggles, but overall, I do think this is one of those plays that could go parabolic and take off. So this is a really exciting chart pattern. I think gold miners and silver miners are going to be equally exciting, but this one definitely has a really clean chart. And, this I think has got that potential to really skyrocket in value, several 100%, which is pretty good opportunity.